Okay, so I just wanted to show you a little troubleshooting method that you could use, especially with the free match with no pattern. You can use it just as easy with a pattern. In fact, when you splice paper with a pattern, there's so much going on, your eye is all over the place. When there's no pattern at all and it's very plain, it sometimes is easier to pick out straight lines, cuts in paper. So this is, as you know, is a free match. What I've done deliberately is finish this paper short. We've got an inch or so at the bottom. I either mismeasured this time or I pushed the paper up too high. I had too much excess on the top and not enough on the bottom. It happens to me, it happens to everybody, and if they say it doesn't, they're lying. You do occasionally make mistakes, but there's always remedies, always ways to get out of it. The first way to get out of it, of course, would be to take the whole piece of paper off. In my judgment call, because this is right down low, right near the skirting, this type of paper, my judgment call is to let a piece in. So what you do, if this had a pattern, you get a piece of paper from another roll and match your pattern. So the pattern matched here and here, and then you put your piece of paper on the wall with the pattern matching. It would look like that. We don't want this paper to be overlapped like that. So what we do is, just need a touch more paste on there. Bear with me. I'm just going to put a bit more paste on it. Okay, so that's our paper on, assuming that if there was a pattern, that pattern was matching. Let's cut away our excess. Okay, let's take that away. So our paper's on the wall. Same technique, splicing technique I've shown you around reveals. So once you're happy that the pattern's matching everywhere, paper's smoothed out, I know that my paper ends about here. I've got this much paper to play with, so I'm going to make a vertical cut across there, and I'm going to go up and down as we did before. I'm not going to make it perfectly straight. I'm going to get across to here. Door frame's in my way, so I'll just pick up that cut from the door frame in with my knife. So let's take our paper away, the top layer. Just pull that off. Just use our knife to get that started. Pull our bottom paper away and then run that back in. Just ease it into place. I've just got an overlap there, so I just need to move this back. Just move it over to there. It's just slid across as I was cutting. Okay, that's our paper let in.